What's up, guitar players? Welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's start by breaking down the exercise. This is all about being able to grab some easy notes that are close to a familiar chord shape. So this exercise is in the key of G, and I want to start by giving you the specific notes that we use in this drill. So starting on the B string, we've got 8, 7, 5, and then on the G string, we've got 7, 5, 4, and then on the D string, we've got 7 and 5. Now, the chord is a triad, and it's the root position on the D, G, and B strings. So that is 5, 4, 3. And I'm not going to give you the specific configuration. I think it's a simple line. So if you just take the time to go through this and rewind a few times, etc., I think you can get the line pretty easily just by pausing, right, and just getting a feel for it. And then that'll really help sink in, okay, all of these notes are in the G major scale. So if you move it up or down, you're going to be in different keys, and that helps, unlock the neck, so to speak. And remember, we're doing these as drills, but if you change the context, this could be a potentially decent little line if you're just noodling by yourself. I'm just thinking something like, or something like that. You can have a lot of fun with these drills if you just allow yourself to expand slightly and try to, inject the context and figure out where this would fit. So have fun with that, chew on that a little bit. Just try this out for about 5 to 10 minutes, get yourself warmed up, and then move on to the guitar solos and songs that you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.